Hello, I am Mrs. Ruma Dhanwate, and in this video lecture, we shall see the applications of database management system, that is DBMS. Applications where we use database management systems are enterprise information. Every small and big enterprise or a business organization uses database management system. Now, how do they use database management system? They use it for sales, accounting, and human resources. Now, for sales, how do they use it? They have the details of the customer, the product in which the customer is interested, or the product they are selling, and the purchase information. Now, for accounting, they use it for payments, receipts, checking the account balances, what are the assets they have, and other accounting information. For example, if you go to a chemist to buy a certain medicine, they have a small uh, laptop or a computer with them, and any medicine you ask for, they go and check into it whether that medicine is available with them or not, and how much quantity is available, what is the price, everything is mentioned in it. So for accounts also, for every enterprise, they are maintaining it for sales and accounts. Then for human resources, you have a database for the people who are working in the organization, that is the employees, their salaries are made through it, payroll, taxes, benefits, and the generation of paychecks as well. Then in manufacturing, for the management of the supply chain and for tracking production of items in factories, inventories of items in warehouses and stores, and orders for items. Now you must be using online shopping. You have been doing online shopping for Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and there are so many online shopping sites these days. So how do they do it? The factories, the inventories, the items, the warehouses, where are the sellers located, and do they have the inventories with them and all. Everything is kept in a database. So every online shopping sites are using the database. Then online retailers for sales data noted in the manufacturing, plus the online order tracking, generation of recommended list, and maintenance of online product evaluations. So for online retailers as well, the sales data is there, how many items are there, what are the prices, everything is mentioned in it. Then in banking and finance, now everyone uses a ATM. Now when you go to the ATM to withdraw some amount, it asks you for the PIN, how much amount you withdraw, and it also asks you whether you want to have the printed receipt of how much balance is there in your account or not. So in banking as well, everything is linked, and the databases are there from where you can have the access to your amount, so that you are able to withdraw the amount from the ATMs. If you do not have the amount, it is checked with the database with the banks, and if you do not have an enough amount, for example, you have 5,000 rupees in your account and you want to withdraw 6,000, you won't be able to do that. Simply why? Because the banks have the databases and you are trying to withdraw the amount which is not in your account. So banking uses the databases. Then you have the credit card transactions for purchase on credit cards and generation of monthly statements, and for storing information about holdings, sales and purchases of financial instruments such as stocks and bonds. Also for storing real-time market data to enable online trading by customers and automated trading by the firm. That is, this is related to share market. Then universities, airlines, telecommunications. Now, universities. Why only universities? Your colleges also maintain the database, in which course you have registered, what are the grades you are getting, and everything you have with your the roll numbers are with the college and the universities. Then airlines, even airlines or railway reservations these days, bus reservations are also having uh, schedule information, the reservations which are maintained by the database management system. Then you have telecommunications. Uh, Everyone is using a net pack. You use internet, and you know that if the net pack is of limited GB or MB, so what happens? As soon as your net pack, as soon as the data gets used, it shows that the network will not work or you will not get more data. So how does it happen? Whatever you are doing, it is maintained by the database. So whether your incoming calls are there or outgoing calls are there, generating the monthly bills, and then maintaining balances on the prepaid calling cards, everything is stored in the database. So everywhere the computers are being used, the networks are being used, and so the databases are also being used, which are managed by the database management system. So everywhere the database is used. Thank you.